you losing sleep because your partner is snoring, or maybe you're the one doing the snoring and you're still feeling tired after that full night's rest? It really isn't a full night's rest, right? So it might be sleep apnea, but you can get on track this year with better sleep. And here to tell us how is Veronica Murillos, sleep technician with the Center for Sleep Apnea and Snoring. Welcome, welcome.
Thank you for having me back. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. And in this new year, help people sleep better, right? You know, because snoring is a big indicator of sleep apnea, but what are some other signs?
So some of the signs are, of course, first of all, like you said, snoring, right? So your partner tells you, you know what, you are snoring so loud that I can't even sleep myself. And then the other thing that happens is you don't breathe at night. What's going on? Hey, wake up, you know? So when you wake up and you get 8 hours, 10 hours of sleep and you're still feeling exhausted in the morning, that could be a sign that there could be something else going on besides, the snoring. You feel fatigue, you wake up with morning headaches, you don't feel yourself, no matter how hard you try, you fall asleep.
So for those who may not know, and you kind of touched on it a little bit there when you said, well, your partner may notice that you're not breathing in some moments. What is sleep apnea?
So sleep apnea is when you have pauses in breathing while you're sleeping, and it can happen hundreds of times while you're sleeping. So think of it as your airway, and I have this little guy right here to kind of show you a collapsed airway and an open airway, the way it's supposed to look, right? So when you're breathing at night, it's doing this and you're snoring, all of a sudden, your airway collapses. There's no oxygen going to your brain, your organs, everything just shuts down. Then all of a sudden you start breathing again. So that could be very dangerous because it could cause a lot of comorbidities, which is, heart attack, high blood pressure, it could contribute to so many things besides just the snoring and not sleeping well.
And I think most people are familiar with, that bulky CPAP machine. There we go. We see it right there, which has got to be plugged in and, well, it looks cumbersome, right? It doesn't look that comfortable, at least to me. But there is a smaller device that doesn't need to be plugged in that you have for sleep apnea patients. So tell us kind of how it measures up.
We do. So for those patients who are using the CPAP machine, great. That's great for you. But most of the people out there are not using that, even if they're severe patients. So with mild or moderate patients, and for patients who are not tolerating the CPAP, we have a MAD. It's called the mandibular advancement device. And what it does is it just basically brings that lower jaw forward and it keeps that airway open naturally. You see how that's on there? You put it on, you go to bed at night, you wake up in the morning, you don't have to take it off to go to the bathroom like the CPAP. CPAP, you have to take it off, put it away, and then go to the bathroom, come back, put it back on. Most of the patients do not put it back on. This, you just take it off in the morning, brush it, pat it dry, leave it there, and then do it again the next night.
So it's kind of like wearing, maybe a retainer or something.
A
little bit more than that.
A little bit bigger, but
kind of similar to the idea.
Similar to that, yes.
And so is it covered by insurance?
Yes, most insurances do cover. All we do is we call the insurance, we verify your plan, and then we'll find out if your insurance covers the appliance.
All right, and there's a new location in town, right?
There is. We are on 8700 Marbach Road, inside Celebrate Dental. So you could just come in. I have a sign out there. You'll know. Just ask for Veronica.
All right. Let's get the information up on your screen. The first 25 people to call will get a free consultation. That's $200 in savings. All you have to do is call 210-598-8200. And for more information, just visit the website stopsnoringtx.com.